Hello, this is the lecture number 3 for the class 10th mathematics chapter number 1, and in the last lecture I've discussed up to question number 3 of exercise 1.1. Now we'll discuss the remaining question of this exercise. I'm discussing the question number 4. Somewhat a theoretical question again is this, so you have to see it very carefully 2 to 3 times, then you will able to understand. Now, what is given in the question number 4, using a Euclid division lemma, you have to show that the square of the positive integer, किसी भी positive integer का square is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. You have to prove that the square of any positive integer. So let the positive integer be a, and I have taken at 3q plus r. Because it is a multiple of 3, then the remainder will be 0, 1 or 2. 0, 1 or 2 will be the remainder because it is a 3, divisor is 3 here. So if r is equal to 0, then a will be equal to 3q, and you have to prove the square. You have to prove the square of this positive integer. So I will square both the sides, squaring both the side here. So what I am getting it? I am getting as here a square is equal to 9q square, squaring both the side. A is equal to 3q, and you have to find the square of this integer, squaring both the sides. So square करने पर ये आ गया. Now you can take 3 common from it like this. For 9q square you can write 3 into 3q square, and let 3q square is equal to m. 3q square is equal to m. I will let it. इसको मैं let करा. I will let it here. 3q square for m. So it means the square of the first integer when r is equal to 0, it is of the form 3m, where m is some integer. तो 3 का multiple हो गया, इसका मतलब ये हो गया. Now similarly, for r is equal to 1, to replace r1 here, so it will be a is equal to 3q plus 1. Now again squaring both the side, you have to find the square of the integer. So it will be a square is equal to 3q plus 1 का whole square. तो square करें right hand side में, a square plus 2ab plus b square, ये आ गया. Now see it very carefully now. Now you can take 3 common in the first two terms. इन दोनों में आप 3 common ले सकते हैं. 3, तो क्या बचेगा यहाँ पर 3q square plus 2q plus 1. See it. 3q square plus 2q plus 1. Now अगर हम इसको m लेट कर लें, तो कितना हो जाएगा 3m plus 1. तो इस इंटीजर का स्क्वायर किस फॉर्म में आ गया? इट कम्स आउट टू बी इन द फॉर्म 3m plus 1. यही आपको प्रूव करना था, आइदर इन 3m फॉर्म और 3m plus 1. एक बार इफ r इज इक्वल टू 0 तो 3m आया, इफ r इज इक्वल टू 1 तो 3m plus 1 आया. यहाँ पर लिखना है आपको हमने m क्या माना है. Now if r is equal to 2, then a will be equal to 3q plus 2. Again squaring both the side. Find the square of it. A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. This. A square plus b square plus 2 into b. Now some arrangement you have to do it here. For 4 you can write 3 plus 1. For 4 you can write 3 plus 1. Why? Because then you will take 3 common in the first 3 terms. 3 शुरू की 3 terms में आप 3 common ले सकते हैं. तो 3 into 3q square बच गया, 4q बच गया, 1 बच गया, and plus 1. Now again let this be equal to 1. Oh sorry, m. आप इसको m let करिए, तो कितना हो जाएगा 3m plus 1. तो यहाँ पर भी 3m plus 1 आ गया. You have to write, आपने यहाँ पर m को क्या let करा है, लिखना है आपको ये. You have to write it here. 3m plus 1, तो 3m आ गया, 3m plus 1, again 3m plus 1. So in the last you have to write, therefore the square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for n belongs to z, अगर n आपका कोई भी integer है आपका. So like this, m belongs to z. So इस question में I squared the both the sides because it is given in the question. In next question number 5, see it, read it from the NCERT book first, and then use question number 5. I am reading it. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 3m, 3m plus 1 and 3m plus 8. Now again let a is equal to 3m plus r. again r will be equal to either 0, 1 or 2 because the divisor here is 3. So r will be equal to 0, 1 or 2. So if r is equal to 0, so put r is equal to 0, so a will be equal to 3 cube. So it comes out to be again cubing both the side because you have to find the cube of the integer. तो यहाँ पर हम cubing कर रहे हैं. तो cubing both the sides, so it comes out to be a cube 27 q cube like this. And for 27 q cube, you can then write 9 into 3q cube. 3q cube. Why I have taken 9? Because you have to prove that it is either 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. तो मैंने इसमें 9 बार लिख लिया. तो 9 into 3 27. तो 3m let it equal to m. यहाँ पे लिखना पड़ेगा हमने m किसको let करा है. m we have let it here 3q plus q. m is equal to 3q cube. तो क्यूबिंग करने पर when r is equal to 0 it is of the form 3m. Now if r is equal to 1 then put r is equal to 1 here. तो 3q plus 1. Now cubing both the side क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्यूब करना है, it is given in the question. तो क्यूबिंग both the side तो it is equal to a cube 3q plus 1 का होल क्यूब. तो थोड़ा क्यूब जरा ध्यान से करिएगा. आपका a plus b का होल क्यूब होता है a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3a स्क्वायर b प्लस 3ab स्क्वायर. नहीं आता आपको क्यूब का फॉर्मूला, यू मल्टीप्लाई 3 टाइम्स तो आपके पास ये आ जाएगा. ठीक है, आराम से कर लीजिए. यू कैन डू इट इन द रफ कॉलम. इसका क्यूब आप ध्यान से करिएगा. नाउ सी इट इन द फर्स्ट 3 टर्म्स आई एम गेटिंग 9 कॉमन. तो यहाँ पर 3q क्यूब बचेगा, 3q स्क्वायर बचेगा, q बचेगा प्लस 1. नाउ लेट इट इक्वल टू m. इसको आप m लेट करिए तो 3m प्लस 1. यहाँ पे लिखना पड़ेगा हमने m को क्या लेट करा है, हमने m को ये लेट करा है. सो दिस इज द ऑफ द फॉर्म 3m प्लस 1 व्हेन the integer is a multiple of 3 and when r is equal to 1 and cubing both the side. Now let r is equal to 2. r की वैल्यू 0, 1 या 2 हो सकते हो क्योंकि यहाँ पर डिवाइजर 3 है. तो r की वैल्यू अगर हमने 2 ली तो इट मीन्स a is equal to, यहाँ if r is equal to 2 a is equal to 3q plus 2. तो cubing both the side again तो it will be a cube 3q plus 2 का whole cube. आराम से whole cube करिए. You take your own time to find the cube. तो a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3a स्क्वायर b प्लस 3ab स्क्वायर. यू डू दिस इन योर रफ if you are unable to do it directly. Now again in the first 3 terms the 9 is common. तो कितना बचेगा, 9 3 are 27, 9 6 are 54 and 9 4 are 36. ये q भी कॉमन ले सकते हैं but you write only 9, you take only 9 common because you have to prove 9m plus 8. तो इसको आप m लेट करिए. You let it equal to m. तो 3m plus 8 where m is equal to this यहाँ पर आपको लिखना है. m is equal to this हमने लेट करा है. हर एक में m चेंज होगा. यहाँ पर m ये लेट करा है, यहाँ पर m हमने ये लेट करा है. Here we have let it equal to m here. So it comes out to be 3m plus 7. तो लास्ट में आपको लिखना है therefore cube of any integers whatever given in the question. Therefore cube of any positive integer is of the form. कौन सी फॉर्म आई है, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. So do these types of question very carefully. You can do it 2 or 3 times because this is some theoretical type questions and you should have a good hand on it. You do it 2 to 3 times. See this video 2 to 3 times, then you will able to do it. Okay, so like this. See it carefully once more. See it carefully again. In the back also, in the previous questions we have done. Question number 2 we have done. See it. Some theoretical type questions are there. In question number 4 we have the squaring both the sides by taking the value of r 0, 1, 2 because the divisor is 3. So the remainder can be only 0, 1 or 2. Squaring both the side, squaring both the side. In the last you have to write the statement in all the questions or the conclusion you have to give. So in this way we have completed the exercise first of the chapter number 1 class 10th mathematics. Some theoretical types of questions are there in this exercise. In the next exercise some easy questions are there. So until then for the 4th video or the 4th lecture, thank you.